Hey everyone, it's Chris from Sweet Maple Ridge. Join us as we give you a tour of our new sugar shack, and let's get started. Join us.
Sweet Maple Ridge Farms. Come on down, everybody. Woo!
Everybody, welcome back to Sweet Maple Ridge. We want to show you our sugar shack. It's under construction. So here we are. This has been a work in progress for quite some time. You can see there's a lot of stuff over in our lean-to wood shed, and I do want to give a quick disclaimer that anything you see here, it's not to code. It's not intended to be to code. This is just what we're using. This is just what we have. It's not done, but we wanted to show you what we got going so far. So I'll take you in. You can see we got the cupola up there. And we'll take you inside here. This thing used to be just an old shed. So we got electric. We got our Dauntless, our Smoky Lake Dauntless. We just got that put together. Some light in here. So this thing's 11 by 16. So our Dauntless is going to go there. Our little wood stove's going to go there. We're going to have a countertop here. And we are going to have a table over in here. And our next order of business is to put walls up. We just have particle board for walls. We put some ceiling in. We still have a lot of work to do with that. We're going to put trim up in there. We have our cupola, which is just, I think it's going to work out really, really well. I'm going to trim that out and we'll get all that done. But this is what we this is what we got going on. We got firewood out here drying. This is our old setup that we used last year. It actually worked really well. We got I think 1.5 gallons of syrup. But yeah, that's super small, but we're definitely upgrading. So this is what we have. We got lots of firewood in here. Still, we got construction going on. We're going to put floors in and all that, but we wanted to show you, and this is what we got working on. So we definitely plan to make more videos about maple syrup and our sugar shack, and you can see where we're standing at right now. So there's going to be lots of improvements over in the next couple weeks. So make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And we're going to have lots of upgrades for you. Always need this. Anyway, subscribe to our channel for more content. Like, subscribe, and all that stuff. And we'll see you out on the ridge.